Tempe Krieger, TeamSecundy Remax Properties. Just want to introduce you to our newest mountain listing, 530 Sunrise Peak, up here in gorgeous Crystal Park, Colorado. Take a look at Cameron's Cone just right behind me off this very private deck. If you or anyone you know is interested in this listing or any others out there in the Colorado Springs market, feel free, give me, Tempe Krieger, Brad Secundy, or Megan Youngwerth a call today, and we can help you out in finding out all that information you want. Thanks so much. Have a great day.